Good morning, students. Last class we did exercise 4.2 and 4.3. Today we are going to work out the problems in exercise 4.4. Read the question. Question number 2. Find the parallel and intersecting line segments in the picture given below. What is the question? Find the parallel and intersecting line segments in the picture given below. You have to find the parallel lines and intersecting lines. Parallel line means pair of lines that do not intersect. Intersecting line means two lines that intersects each other. That is, two lines that crosses each other, meets at a point. So first let us write the parallel lines. What are all parallel lines? Look at the picture. Here AB and CD are parallel because they do not intersect each other. Similarly, every pair BC, FG, CD, GH, AD, EH and AB, EF are also parallel. CD, GH are also parallel. So write the parallel lines first. First, parallel lines. AB, CD. So I am writing first pair AB, CD. Next pair EF and GH. Next pair of lines BC, FG. Next one AD and EH. Similarly, you write the remaining parallel lines and send it to me. Okay. Next, intersecting lines. Intersecting line means two lines that meet at a point. Look at the picture. Here, three lines are meeting at A. AB, AD and AE meets at A. So these three lines are intersecting lines or concurrent lines. What is intersecting lines or concurrent lines? AB, AD and AE. Similarly, each point represent concurrent lines. For E, AE, EF and EH. Similarly for D, AD, DC and DH. Similarly for G, EG, FG, GH and CG. So I will write 2 points, 2 pairs of points. You will write the remaining. So first I am writing for A. So AB, AD and AE intersecting at A. AB, AD, AE. For E, AE, FE and HE. Similarly, write the other pairs. Next problem. Problem number 3. Name the following angles as shown in the figure. You have to name the angles. Here you can name the angle in two ways, either DBC or CBD. The angle must be in the middle. So where is the angle 1? Angle 1 is marked here. Shall I write the name? DBC or CBD. You can write either way because angle has two rays. Either you can write this one first and then this one. So first I am writing DBC, angle DBC or angle CBD. Is it clear? Tell me the answer for next one. Next angle is angle 2. So what is the name of this angle? Angle 2, EBD. So angle EBD or angle DBE. Next one, angle 3. Where is angle 3? Here. Angle 3 is marked here. So what is the name of the angle? Either angle ABE or EBA. So I am writing ABE or EBA. The angle must be in the middle. So I am writing B in the middle because in B only we are having 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3. So angle must be in the middle. Next one, angle 1 plus angle 2. Which angle? Angle 1 and 2. So you have to write the name of this angle, angle 1 and 2 together. So angle 1 plus 2 is nothing but EBC. Angle EBC or CBE. So tell me angle 2 plus 3. Where is 2? Angle 2 is here and angle 3 is here. So you have to write angle 2 is here, angle 3 is here. You have to write the name for this angle. So angle ABD. Angle ABD or angle DBA. DBA because they are asked angle 2 plus 3. So I am writing ABD or DBA. What is the final one? Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. So full angle. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. So you have to write the name for this full angle B. This full angle denotes B. So you can write either B or ABC or CBA. Very good. Next problem, problem number 5. From the figures given below, classify the following pairs of angles into complementary and non-complementary. What is complementary angle? Do you remember? Can anyone tell me? Yes, very good. Complementary is angle nothing but 2 pairs of angle which is added up to 90 degrees. So complementary means 2 angles added up to 90 degree. So you have to check whether these angles are complementary or non-complementary. For that you have to add the 2 angles and check whether it is 90 or not. So let us check the first one. 25 plus 25, 25 degree plus 25 degree. Here 2 angles are given, one is 25 degree and the other one is also 25 degree. So 25 degree plus 25 degree, yes, 50 degree. But this is not 90. So this one is not a complementary angle. So this one is non-complementary. It is non-complementary. Next one. 75 degree plus 105 degree. Add and tell me the answer. Yes, very good. 180 degree. But this one is not 90 degree. So non-complementary angle. Complementary means 2 angles were added up to 90 degree. So third one. First angle is 38 degree plus second angle is 52 degree. Add and tell me the answer. 8 plus 2 10. So 0. 5 3 8 plus 1 9. So 90 degree. So this one gives 90 degree. So this implies the pairs of angles are complementary. So this one is a complementary angle. These pairs are complementary to each other. Final one. 45 degree plus 45 degree. In the picture yourself you can identify this one is a complementary. 45 plus 45, yes, 90 degree. So this pair is a complementary. Is it clear? Move on to the next problem. Problem number 6. From the figures given below, classify the following pairs of angles into supplementary and non-supplementary. Fifth problem is complementary and sixth problem is supplementary. What is supplementary? If two pairs of angles added up to 180 degree. If we add two angles, if we get 180, then it is supplementary. So let us check the first one. First angle is 30 degree, next one is 120 degree. 120 plus 30, yes, 150. Not equal to 180 degree, so this one is non-supplementary. So this one is not a supplementary angle. Next one, 85 degree plus 95 degree. 85 plus 95, what is the answer? Yes, 180 degree. So this pair is supplementary. The two angles are supplementary to each other. Next one, 120 degree and 110 degree. So add 120 degree plus 110 degree. You will get 230 degree. So this one is not supplementary. So non-supplementary angle. Final one, 150 degree plus 30 degree. So what is the answer? 150 plus 30, you will get 180 degree. So this one is supplementary. So these two angles are supplementary to each other. Is it clear? Complementary means 90 degree, supplementary 180 degree. Move on to the next problem. From the figure, name a pair of complementary angles, name a pair of supplementary angles. So from the figure you have to name complementary angles and supplementary angles. That is pair of complementary, pair of supplementary. Complementary angle means 90 degree, supplementary angles means 180 degree. So let us write the pair of angles. First look at for complementary. Complementary means 90 degree. Here angle DAE and EAF are added up to 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary to each other. So write the angle name. First one, angle DAE and angle EAF. These two angles are complementary to each other. Complementary means 90 degree. When we add these two angles, we get 90 degree. Next one, supplementary. Supplementary means if we add two angles, they added up to 180, then we call that pair as supplementary angles. Look at the picture and tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Here FAB angle and BAC angle will add up to 180 degree. So for the second one, angle FAB, angle BAC. Similarly, tell me the other pair, FAD and DAC. FAD and angle DAC. One more pair is there. Identify that pair and tell me the answer. Next one, ninth problem. Which angle is equal to twice its complement? So which angle is equal to twice its complement? What is complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complement to each other if they are added up to 90 degree. So I am taking the two angles as X and Y. So X plus Y will give 90 degree because these two angles are complement to each other. So what is the hint given? Which angle is equal to twice its complement? So one of the angle is twice of the other. Let us take y to be 2 times x. Which angle is equal to twice its complement? X and y are complement to each other. So I am taking y as twice of x, because in question one angle is twice of its complement. Y is the complement angle of x, so I am writing y as 2 times x. So here instead of y I am going to write 2x. So x plus 2x will be 90 degree, because they are complement to each other. Add these two angles here, 1x, here 2x, 1 plus 2, totally 3x equal to 90 degree, and x equal to 90 degree divided by 3, I will get 30 degree. So x equal to 30 degree. So what is the question? Which angle is equal to twice its complement? So you have to find the angle which is twice of its complement. Complement angle is 30. You have to find twice its complement. So y is 2 times x. X is nothing but 30 degree. So the answer is 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 60 degree. So this is the answer. Next problem. Which angle is equal to 2/3 of its complement? 2/3 of its supplement. So supplement. What is supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplement if they were added up to 180 degree. So I am writing x and y, two angles, they are supplement to each other, that is 180 degree. What is the hint given? One angle is equal to 2/3 of its complement. So I am writing y as 2/3 of x, because in question which angle is equal to 2/3 of its supplement? X is the supplement angle of y, so I am writing y as 2 by 3 times x, that is 2/3 of x. Instead of y I am going to write this 2 by 3x. So x plus 2 by 3x is equal to 180 degree. Here 1 and denominator also 1. You cannot add these two numbers because denominators are different. So you have to take LCM. You can cross multiply this 3 and cross multiply this 1. So you can easily find the LCM. 3 1s are 3x plus 1 2s are 2x by 1 3s are 3 equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x I will get 5x, very good. 5x by 3 equal to 180 degree. Multiply this 3 to the other side. So 5x equal to 180 degree into 3, and bring this 5 to the other side. 180 degree into 3 divided by 5. Cancel this 5 and 180. So 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, remaining 3, 6 5s are 30. So 36 into 3. What is the answer? 6 3s are 18, remaining 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. So x is 108 degree. But what is the question? Which angle is equal to 2/3 of its supplement? So you have to find y. I have found x, so substitute this x here. So y equal to 2 by 3 times x. So I am writing 108. So what is the answer? 2 into 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, remaining 1. So 18, 6 3s are 18. So 2 into 36, I will get 72 degree. So what is the answer? 72 degree. Is it clear? Okay, move on to the next problem. Problem number 11. Given two angles are supplementary. So supplementary, they will add up to 180 degree. And one angle is 20 degree more than the other. Same method. Given two angles are supplementary. So x plus y equal to 180 degree. One angle is 20 more than the other. So I am taking that one angle as y. This will be 20 more than the other. So x plus 20. One angle is 20 more than the other. So I am taking y is equal to x plus 20. So instead of this y, I am going to substitute x plus 20. So x plus 20. I am writing this x first, and then for this y, I am substituting x plus 20 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So totally how many x are there? 1, 1, 2x. 1x plus 1x, I will get 2x plus 20 degree equal to 180 degree. So 2x equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree. Next step, 180 minus 20 will get 160 degree. So 2x equal to 160 degree. Then what is x? X will be 160 by 2. Cancel and tell the answer. 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16, remaining 0. So x is 80 degree. So you have to find that supplementary angle. You have to find the two angles. So we have found x. Then what is y? Y is nothing but x plus 20 degree. So y equal to x plus 20 degree. X is 80 degree plus 20 degree. So y is 80 plus 20, 100 degree. Is it clear? Okay. Last problem. Two complementary angles are in ratio 7:2. Find the angles. So two complementary angles are in ratio 7:2. You have to find the two angles. So given two complementary angles are in ratio. What is ratio? Ratio is nothing but comparison of two quantities. So I can write this in fraction. Also ratio is expressing one factor in terms of the other, that is the multiple of other. So I can write this as 7x and 2x. Complementary angle means 7x plus 2x will give 90 degree because complementary. So 7x plus 2x, I will get 9x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree by 9, I will get 10 degree. 1 9s are 1, 1 9s are 1. So the answer is 10 degree. But what is the ratio given? First angle is 7 times x, second angle is 2 times x. So what is the first angle? 7x equal to 7 into 10, 70 degree. Second angle is 2x, so 2 times 10, 20 degree. So the two complementary angles are 70 degree and 20 degree. Go through the video carefully and do the assignment problems and send it to me. Thank you, students.